Okay, so to create a Google survey, you're just going to go onto your Drive. I'm already logged in, and you can go to New, and then you have to go More, and then it's just Google Forms, and it's going to be right there. But I already have mine created, so we're just going to go right into this. It's called Science, so you can add a title right here. It's a little description, and then when you're making it, you can just do all sorts of different types of questions. So this one is multiple choice. You can have a 1 to 5 scale, that sort of thing. And then if you wanted to add more, you would just push this add question right here. And then to send out your link so that other people can take it, you would either go to preview and then see it like that, or you can go back here and go to send, and then you can either like add people's emails right here, or you can send them this link, and then you can just copy it and then send it to your friends or whoever like that. So then once you send them out, you can see the responses that you get by just clicking on this responses. I've gotten 31 responses. So then you can see here that all of the different responses to the first question, and then all of them like this for the code, and then little bar graph here. Google takes all the information and they organize it in a way that's best fitting for the type of question. So got another pie chart here, and then that. So with multiple choice, they always have the option to fill in their own options. So even though I only included these first 5, some people put botany or forensics or orgo or biomedical sciences. So there's that, and then 1 to 5 scale again, and then this. So that is how you use Google Forms. I hope this was helpful.